This isn't for males. This isn't for guys. This is for men, real men, the kind who build, protect, and lead. Right now, masculinity is being redefined into weakness. Strength is called toxicity. Purpose is replaced by distraction. If you're tired of the confusion and ready to rebuild what being a man actually means, this is your starting point. Modern men face three critical deficits: physical softness, replaced by convenience; mental fragility, replaced by distraction; and directional confusion, replaced by others' agendas. You're not weak. You've been systematically disconnected from what makes men strong. Today we reconnect all three, not with talk, with action. First, your body must become capable again, not for Instagram, for life. Daily minimum, 50 push-ups, 10 pull-ups, or progressions, farmer's walks with whatever's heavy, 100 squats, spread throughout the day. Your body wasn't designed for chairs and screens. It was designed to build, carry, and overcome. Physical competence creates mental confidence. Period. Second, your mind must embrace discomfort voluntarily. Daily, cold shower final minute. Wake before sunrise without phone. One difficult conversation you've avoided. 1 hour without digital dopamine. You're not building mental health. You're building mental armor. A man's mind should be his most reliable tool, not his biggest liability. Third, you must have a direction worth following. Weekly, write 3 objectives: 1 for self, 1 for family, 1 for community. Plan your week around them. Take full responsibility for all outcomes. A man without direction is a ship without a rudder, drifting wherever the current takes him. Your purpose isn't found. It's built through consistent, meaningful action. Your day starts before the world wakes. 5 a.m. protocol. 1. 500 milliliters water. 2. 5 minutes of movement, not workout, mobility. 3. 3 objectives for the day written. 4. 15 minutes of skill learning, not consuming. 5. First important task completed by 6 a.m. You've won the day before most men have hit snooze. This creates compound advantage that becomes uncatchable. Critical shift. Stop consuming value, start creating it. In relationships, what did you build today? In family, what did you protect? In community, what did you improve? Modern men are trained to consume content, attention, resources. Real men are builders. Your worth isn't what you take. It's what you create and protect. Your biology follows your behavior. Natural testosterone optimization. Heavy compound lifts 3 times weekly. Morning sunlight exposure. 7+ hours quality sleep. Zinc, magnesium, vitamin D. Stress management through action, not avoidance. Stop chasing supplements. Chase behaviors that make your biology work for you. Your hormonal profile should match your purpose. Here's your choice. Continue as you are, or become what you're capable of. Start now. Not Monday, now. 50 push-ups today, cold shower tonight, objectives written before bed. This isn't about being alpha or sigma. It's about being competent, reliable, and purposeful. If you're ready to rebuild masculinity from the ground up, smash like. It signals you're choosing strength. Subscribe and hit notification bell. Tomorrow, how to lead without saying a word. The world needs real men. Decide if you'll be one.